In that shop at Adoawa as we speak. This is Adoawa. This is Adoawa Ramat Park as we speak in front of immigration office. This is in front of.
We don't get this motor to make all carry a command. They're not there. You don't know get motor, they don't get their number. If back motor, you don't know say back motor no.
This is in front of immigration office at Adoawa. People are trying to separate demarcate the stores so the fire won't spread, but it is spreading. Fire is spreading wide and fast. So there's a lady crying right now here. She's crying at her shop she just paid for not long ago. This is the lady here.
Jesus, that our store don't finish, our store don't finish, it don't finish. Our store don't finish. Our store don't finish. Everywhere don't burn, everywhere don't roast. Nothing remains again, Jesus.
So this is Ramat Park in Benin City. Ramat Park in Benin City. Ramat Park in Benin City. So this fire has been burning over 9 minutes now. Over 9 minutes now it has been burning. Over 9 minutes now. Over 9 minutes now. And it is spreading. See, it is just going straight on top of the roof. So over 9 minutes this fire has been burning. People are trying to quench the fire. Spreading fast. Ramat Park Adoawa. So guys, you can see. So people are trying to pack things out of that store. The fire is spreading wide. So someone come and see. There's a lady here screaming. There's a lady here screaming. Sorry, you can't see clearly because it is dark. There's no light. So it's dark here and there's no lights around. See someone going to get water. So guys, shops are down, people's business are down, money is down. Shops are down, money is down, people's business are down. I mean down. People's business are down, shops are down. This is not the kind of fire water can quench. The fire is really spreading down, but they are trying to control it over here. They are controlling it over here so that it won't spread. But for like 3 minutes now, it has not been able to cross here. But over there, it is spreading now. It is going down. It is going down. This is Adoawa. Jesus. Someone just commented someone should call the fire service. Where is the fire service? Which country? That's the first thing you should ask yourself. In which country is the fire service you are saying they should call? So you should ask yourself that first. Which country should they call a fire service? So if it is Nigerian, I'm not sure it is Nigerian that you are saying they should call fire service. So this guy is really mad. So guys, let me see if I can get my torch. Let me see if I can get my light from the car so I can show you the faces of the people screening. Where they park for you just now? Somebody drive am out. Somebody drive am out just now.
Somebody drive am out.
Somebody drive am out. They won't listen to your own self.
They don't see TV motor.
I'm not sure the thief farm. Maybe the driver come. I'm not sure the thief farm. So there's a RAV4 that was parked here just now. So they were actually looking for the owner. So somebody drove it out. So the guy, the owner is here now. I don't even know how they got the key. Okay, I think the guy have seen. I think the guy have seen the car. He has seen his car.
May I run the woman come up for near fire?
So guys, shops are down. Shops are down. So the fire is spreading. Spreading there. Even though you can't feel it too much in this area, but inside the shop are burning already. Inside the shops are burning over here already.
So no, they let us come out with their Fast. Outside. Come on, they drop our bed. Small. Now the turn is small, bed. I beg. The dropper. Fast. Dropper here.
So these are Nigerians. Come on, I beg. They come on. They know how to touch on somebody there. They know how to touch on. Bro, you pour for ground. They know how to touch on. You pour for ground.
Hey! Who is that bastard? Hey, come, give me this way. Please, hey! Give me where we can see. Keep on here. Hey! Keep on here.
Bro, there is need for update. Video no video.
I know, but your video stop the fire.
Okay. What do you do? So guys,
to secure the goods. Now to secure make this come out. And to secure the goods. Before we make them come for house before them. And to secure the
you
goods first.
understand? So
That's the best one we need to do now. I beg Muna they push and fire, I beg. Muna they push and fire, come on fire. They come on fire, I beg. I beg, make they come front. Hey! Hey! Madam, Muna they help them. Muna they push and they go like that. Hey, push and come fire, come on fire, come on fire. Hey, I'm here. Somebody push and
this guy over here is a really nice person. There should be a solution to things like this in this country. Absolutely, there should be a solution to things like this. So this is about after 8 or to 9. There should be a solution to things like this. There should be a solution to things like this. And at the end of the day,
I'm not faster. We need some backup.
First gate.
First gate. I'm not faster. First gate.
So there should be a solution to things like this. People's properties aren't just gone like that. Absolutely.
This is Commander. There's a serious fire here in First gate. So we need some backup. This is serious fire. How the outside is burning.
So since the fire has not been able to cross over here, so they've been able to really control the fire here. It has not been able to cross. So that's one good thing, but it is spreading far over there. Even though the fire hasn't gotten to this part, but people are looting all this shop. They are packing the things out so the fire won't get here. Though the fire has not gotten to this part, and I'm not sure it will get to this part at all. But people are packing things out of this part of it. So even some soldiers are helping them out. Some soldiers are helping them out. I see some soldiers are helping them out. Some soldiers are helping out to pack their things out. So I think a firefighter is here. So here, finally we have a firefighter here. And this is after like 18 minutes. This is after like 18 minutes. So see that lady crying over there. So this is after like 18 minutes, they just arrived.
not there. Oh, yeah. The water not there. You're not there. Water not finish. Water not finish.
So guys, the soldiers are trying to control the crowd since the firefighters are here already. But it's okay to control the crowd so the crowd won't confuse, so they won't confuse the firefighters. There's water that's spraying already.
How many millions? This one is good.
Everything is down. Like seriously, there are some Nigerians, but to be frank here, these firefighters, they are professionals. They are trained firefighters, but meanwhile Nigerians are also confusing them. So you can see someone trying to direct them. But meanwhile, they are supposed to quench the fire from where it is spreading to. This main part has got burnt and there's nothing there anymore. Gas, they say gas is smelling there. They are saying gas is smelling there, so everyone has to run because gas is smelling over there. So there's a gas, I don't know if there's a gas plant there, I do not know. So
everybody is not going to stand and make
So guys, this is really terrible. This is really terrible. This is really terrible, guys.
They don't even talk on that side. They don't break anything. Outside, they don't break anything. They want to go. They want to
After I see you, I have to do this one.
But we're, to me, one is not enough. One is just not enough. One firefighter is just not enough. It's just not enough. We have to be frank. One is just not enough. One is not enough. Rama Park is Edo State. Rama Park is Edo State.
You get the point now. You're not the first one. You get the point now. We don't go finish your leg. Only finish. That one. Get the point now. Hey, come front now.
So I think the water is out. The water is out and there is still fire. I think the water is out and there is still fire. Like I said, one is not enough. One is not enough. One is not enough. So the water is out and there is still fire. Absolutely, one is not enough. Well, from our point of view, they are supposed to start from the angle where the fire is not much. They will be bringing it. They're supposed to start from the angle where the fire is not much, down to where the fire is much. You know, because the fire is still going far. So there are some shops the fire has really not touched over there. She's a Yoruba girl, and she's a Yoruba girl, and her shop has just got burnt. fire is still not going out. The firefighter, they just moved from this angle down there, but the fire is still not out. The shops are still burning. Like I said, they are supposed to save the ones in front. See, the one in front is already spreading. The one in front. The one in front is already burning very fast now. It's burning fast now. So they were supposed to start quenching from that angle down to where the fire is much. So and the one in front is now burning hard now. You can see over there. So it is not burning very hard. So they were supposed to start from that angle. They were supposed to save the path that it was spreading to, down to where it started. So I think the water is out. Yes, the water is out. Guys, the water is out. The water is out and there's still fire. So you see this part here now, they tried quenching just now. So just started, this part here is up again. This part here is up again. They really spend time in trying to quench this place since. So this part just started again. And the water is out now, guys. Yeah, finally the water is out. Finally the water is out. Finally the water is out. So this is Nigeria. So the water is out.
Somewhere.
So now that the fire is out, it is going to spread far. But they've tried. People have tried and pulling out things from those shops, so there won't be much lost over there. So over that angle, there won't be much lost, but they really tried packing things out there, so there won't be much lost. Water don't finish. Water don't finish. So they've packed things out of here, guys. Firefighters are here. They've tried their best and the water is out. So water is out. So the conclusion is going to be everything is going to burn down except this part where the fire could not cross over to. Yeah. So the conclusion is everything is going down. Everything is going down. That's going to be the conclusion, guys.
Apa?
water don't finish. So firefighters are about to leave. They're about to leave, guys. So let me just show you their departure. I'm going to show you their departure, guys. Firefighters are about to leave. They're about to leave. Firefighters are about to leave, guys. So you see, it is not burning hard over there now. It is burning hard over there now. So it is burning. They were supposed to start from that angle down to where the fire was really high. So they're about to leave now.
Yeah, they're not in the...
Don't worry, no go pass here, no go pass here.
You don't control them already. You don't control them. So guys are leaving. So this is the firefighters are leaving. This is the firefighters are leaving. They are leaving. Nigerians are attacking them. Nigerians are attacking them. Nigerians are attacking them. Nigerians are attacking them. They are leaving. Nigerians are attacking them. They are leaving. They've left. They are gone. They are gone. Firefighters are gone. And there is still fire. Firefighters are gone and there is still fire. Firefighters are gone and there is still fire. But the first thing is, these guys, they are experienced men. So when you come to a scene like this, they are supposed to start quenching from where the fire is spreading to before they go to the main part. You know, so they just came. They came like confused set of people. People on ground were just directing them. So professionals are not supposed to work like that. One, and so they are finally gone. They are gone. So there is nothing anyone can do than to just watch till everything burn down. Definitely. The biggest help have come and they could not bring down the fire. So who else can? So no one else. So the biggest help came, they could not bring down the fire. With experience, they could have been able to help out. So guys, there's a big loss here. There's a really big loss here. There's a big loss here. Some persons are going to faint. Some persons are going to faint by tomorrow morning. That's if they've not fainted now in their house. So guys, I think I have to go offline now. I have to go offline now, guys. I'm going very far. I'm going very, very far. 1 hour away from here. So I have to go now. This is Nigeria. So I have to go offline now because I'm going very far. I'm going 1 hour away from here. So I have to go offline now, guys. Who parked this motor here? If they block me.